Ah.
Azalea, what do you have? Do you have a book? Azalea, can you show me book? Book? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's this? What's this? Azalea, what's this? Very good, owl. That's right, owl. What's this, Azalea? Orange, that's right. Good job, sweetie. What about... What's this? What's that, monkey? Can you show me this? What's this? What's that? Monkey, that's right. What's this? Milk? Milk? Good job. Yeah, milk. Azalea? What's this? Can you show me bird? Bird, that's right, sweetie, bird. What's this? Banana, that's right, banana. What's this? What's this? Boat. What's this? Butterfly, that's right. You're trying to make a butterfly, right? Good job, sweetie. Azalea, are you ready to go to school? School? Can you show me school?